Hello dear student, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Welcome again in this new video. This is the fourth part of pronoun and we learned the use of this, that, these and those. In previous video we learned about the use of this or that. This and that are used when we are talking about one person, place, animal or thing. This is used to talk about things that are near to us. Like this is an apple. That is used to talk about things that are far from us. Like that is an apple. Okay kids, just listen a poem this and that and enjoy. Say it aloud when you listen to it the second time. This is hers, that is mine. But when we share, it is fine. This is here, that is there. But when it comes to sharing, we are always near and here. Do you understand, my dear? So, if you understand this poem, let's recite once again. This is hers, that is mine. But when we share, it is fine. This is here, that is there. But when we comes to sharing, we are always near and here. Do you understand, my dear? Okay kids, now let's learn when we use these or those. We use these or those when we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing. जब हम किसी पर्सन या प्लेस के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं और वो एक से ज्यादा होते हैं तो हम उसके लिए these या फिर those का यूज करते हैं. Here are some examples like monkeys, dresses, doors, balloons, cups, pencils, etc. Here are some more examples. These are mangoes. Those are mangoes. यहाँ पे these का यूज हुआ है क्योंकि mangoes बहुत पास में है और वहाँ पे जो मैंगो फ्रूट्स है they are far from us. That's why we use those. We use these for more than one person, place, animal or thing that are near us. Examples are these are nuts. These are my books. We use those for more than one person, place, animal or things that are far from us. Examples, those are butterflies. Those are birds. जब कोई चीज हमसे दूर हो और वो ढेर सारी हो तो हम उसके लिए those का यूज करते हैं. जैसे कि एग्जाम्पल्स में हम देख रहे हैं बटरफ्लाइज ढेर सारी हैं और they are far from us and birds भी ढेर सारे हैं वो भी हमसे दूर है. So we use here those. Let's know some more examples. Look at the picture. These are animals. Those are fruits. These are fish. Those are my friends. Let's recall. Number 1. When we talk about more than one person, place, animal or thing, we use these or those. We use these to talk about more than one person, place, animal or things that are near us. We use those to talk about more than one person, place, animal or things that are far from us. Now it's comprehension time to check कि आपको these और those का यूज कितना समझ में आया. Match the following. Number 1, that is a new house. Number 2, this is my bag. Number 3, this is a black cat. Number 4, that is a sweet fruit. Number 5, this is a green plant. You have to match it with the second column. Now, here is the answers. That is new house. Those are new houses. This is my bag. These are my bags. This is a black cat. These are black cats. That is a sweet fruit. Those are sweet fruits. This is a green plant. These are green plants. Now it's practice time. Fill in the blanks with correct word. Number 1. These are books. Option A, these. Option B, that. Number 2. Dash pencils are in the box. Option A, those. Option B, this. Number 3. Dash is your pancake. Option A, these. Option B, this. Number 4. Dash is my lunchbox. Option A, these. Option B, that. Number 5. Dash are very sweet. Option A, that. Option B, these. That's it today. Have fun. Enjoy your worksheet. Bye. Thank you.